Alright, Saturday morning. I'm gonna go ahead and take whole front axle out, leaf springs, everything, get the clutch assembly and master cylinder off. I'm gonna prep this for welding. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring the frame up front to the garage or just do it back here and put down my tarp, the flame tarp. Fix the frame. I've got new rebuild kits coming. Tires don't have inner tubes, don't have the inside flat, but those are probably fine. We'll see. And steering linkage all coming. That's it. It's tapped out for the summer. Paint. Got the front end off. Whoever got some problems with the bushing right here, this one is spinning. Can't get it out, and there is a weldable bushing, so I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that one out too. That one's pretty crusty. The ones in the back look okay, but these are coming off today, so I can paint well, at least clean the frame and then start painting. Alright, I cut the remaining leaf springs off of the front axle. I bought Harbor Freight discs, and those destroyed themselves. Did not have kickback. It was just kind of a maybe there's a nick in them, one after another. The third one was fine. So cleaned out the mess. I'm gonna walk up to the truck here in a second. I need to clean out a little bit back here where I'm gonna put some of these things. So stand by. I think my backyard lost about 300 pounds of all this rust. So off to the dump we go. UPS man showed up. So Kaiser Willys had like a steering sale, so I got a new steering wheel since the other one was jacked up and I had to cut it. Then I got front hubs, rear hubs, front and rear rebuild kit for both axles and a couple tools just in case I needed them. But there's a lot of stuff in here. Gotta inventory it, make sure I got everything, because sometimes they don't have everything that they said that they shipped, and then you end up with a partial shipment. So I'm not pleased about that, but it is what it is. They've been really good about making up and sending the right parts. So I got a little crazy with the cutoff wheel. I did brace up the backside on the top side of it. Started cutting this tin, like galvanized. It's terrible stuff, and everything just started falling apart, so I stopped. Got the floor out. I need to take it to the dump. I have not taken the full rear floor out yet, but I am going to brace up again from right about here straight across to the driver's side and go from there. I do have rear floor, front floor. I just don't have like a center section here. I can fabricate it. I kept the piece in here. I guess I can dig around and do that. I do have new wheel tub for one side, and I have the side of another, but I think I'm going to go ahead and purchase the other tub just because the rust holes, and I really don't want to deal with it. Spare tire mount. I will need one of those. You can't see it down in there, but there's some old wasp nest or some kind of bee that was down there, but all of this has to come out. Not worth saving. I did purchase the new tailgate support, but that still hasn't showed up yet. I bought that like a month ago. And let's see, I do have the new front step. I'm waiting. I have this piece that goes here. I'm waiting on the other one that goes right there. That was an oversight. I did call, and that is coming. So far, that's where I'm going. And my frame is pretty good. I should have welded on my aft purchase here, right here where my shocks go, but I did not do that today. just kind of got a little crazy with the cutoff wheel. So a couple pieces here and there, but not sure if I'm going to go ahead and do the axles first or if I'm going to continue doing the body. I think both. Depends on the day. If it's a rainy, crappy day like it has been, I think I'll roll those to the front and put them in the garage, start ripping them apart. I do have new tires coming too. I just need those to be delivered. I did buy 6.0 by 16, and these are 7.0 by 16. So the new tires are going to be just a little bit shorter, but I'm alright with that. It is fine. Stock, it came with 7.0 by 16 bias ply military tires, but I don't really have any particular reason to go big. But as you can see, all this needs to be rebuilt. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to clean up my mess, and I'm going to take them inside. I'm going to have dinner and call it a day. Probably start putting this thing online. Got a lot to do. Not a lot of time to do it. Alright, y'all take care. Have a good one.